and welcome to another Lawn Fawn video. Today we are introducing our new die, Woodland Critter Huggers Bat Add-on. And what this add-on does is it turns our Woodland Critter Hugger into a bat, and it is the cutest thing ever. These are the pieces that the die set comes with. And first up we have the bat wings and the bat feet. We have a cute little face, some rosy cheeks, and then two pieces to layer behind the face, and we'll be showing you guys how those work in a second. And then this cute little piece of candy that you can layer for a really adorable look. The first step is to cut the Woodland Critter Hugger main piece, and we've cut it out of some narwhal cardstock. Then we're going to take the face, and I like to cut this from the back of the Woodland Critter Hugger so that I have no imprinting on the front of my die. So we're going to line that up right in his face there, hold it in place with some low tack tape, run it through the die cut machine, and now we have the cute little eyes, mouth, and fangs. Next, we're going to add colors to his eyes and mouth and fangs, and we're going to be using those two pieces we talked about earlier. And you'll notice that the black one has kind of like a bumped out curve, and the white one has a curve cut out of it. And these are going to end up fitting together like puzzle pieces. So you're going to take the black piece, and you're going to take that curve that's bumped out, and that's going to line up right to the top of the fangs. Then you'll take the white piece, and we're going to look at that curve that's been cut out, and that curve is going to fit just like a puzzle piece into the black piece. Just like that. Now this is going to color in our eyes and mouth black, but our fangs in white, and it's so cool and super easy to do. Next, we're going to fold along the arms along those score lines on either side of the body, and we'll take our bone folder and just reinforce those so they have a nice sharp crease. Then we're going to start to add our bat wings. So you'll notice that when you cut the wings, there's a slit in the middle and some score lines at the top and the bottom of that slit. We're going to fold along those score lines, and we're going to be looking at the inside of the wings. You're going to take the arm and you're going to feed it through the opening between the wings, just like this. You're going to be putting on his bat sleeves. I always think like I'm dressing him for a little costume party. So we're going to put on those sleeves, put them down into the bottom and base of the arm. Then we can add tape runner on either side of those wings, and it's going to sandwich that arm in the middle, creating a bat from the Woodland Critter Hugger. So we'll add that tape runner, and now we can just push it all the way down to the end, right kind of into his armpit, and then you can attach those two pieces together, forming this really, really cute bat wing. We'll make sure that both of those bat wing ends match up perfectly, and then we can start to work on the other arm. So we're going to take our wings and once again fold them down the center. We're going to look at the inside of the wings, open up the slit between the two sides of the wings, and feed the arm through. We'll push all the way down until you get to the kind of armpit area of the bat. We'll add tape runners to the inside of both of the sides of wings. And then we're going to sandwich that Woodland Critter Hugger arm in between the two bat wing pieces, making sure that the little details at the bottom of the wings line up perfectly. Now that our bat is ready to fly, we need to give him some little feet, so we're going to glue those on there. And these bat wings and feet have been cut from Stormcloud Cardstock. Then to add a little cuteness, we've cut those rosy cheeks out of some Ballet Slipper cardstock, and we'll put that on either side of his cute little mouth. And then we can start to work on the candy. So you can either put paper candy in his wings or you could put real candy in his wings. But we're going to start off with the fake kind. And we've cut the little candy wrapper here out of the new pearlescent vellum, which is just gorgeous. And then we've cut the candy pieces out of some fake tan and Sugarplum cardstock. And we're going to layer those right onto the vellum. And you'll see it's going to look like real candy because that little part looks like the plastic in a piece of candy. We're also going to take one more color. We're going to cut some from out of Cilantro because I thought it'd be cute if he was holding 3 different candies. Here's what he would look like holding different kinds of candies, and I like to hold the candies in place with some glue dots. There's some chocolate, a little hard candy. He looks really cute with lollipops, especially those smaller kind of dum-dum size lollipops look really cute, or those bags of candy corn, the little mini bags look perfect in this guy. But for now, we're going to give him some fake candy. So we're going to tape one wing down to his body, and then we're going to add tape runner to the back of all of the little fake paper cut candies, and we're going to be layering those as if he's holding a bunch of candies between his bat wings. Once we have the candies in perfect placement, we can add some tape runner to the inside of the other wing to secure everything down in place, and you can see just how cute and adorable he's looking. Now, on the back of him, it looks a little bit unfinished right now. So the best way to finish that off is to die cut another Woodland Critter Hugger base and just trim his arms right off, which sounds really funny, but we're going to trim off both of his arms, and then we can layer that piece behind there, and it's going to make everything look nice and finished, and it's going to make him nice and sturdy too. You could turn this guy into a bat-shaped card or even layer him onto a card front, but I thought it would be fun to make him into a gift card holder. And he's perfectly sized to work with both of our gift card pockets. We have our stitched gift card pocket, and here is our diagonal gift card pocket, which is the new one that works perfectly with the Flippin' Awesome die. It also works perfectly with the Woodland Critter Hugger. So we're going to fold along the score lines that the die created for us and add some 1/4 inch double-sided tape to all 3 of those tabs. Then we can peel up the liner paper, fold back those tabs, and line it up with the back of the Woodland Critter Hugger that's now a bat. And you can see how nice that's looking. I thought it would be even cuter to add a little bit of detail. So the diagonal gift card pocket die comes with this little detail piece. We're going to die cut that out of the Stormcloud cardstock, also holding in place that to and love thing that also comes in the diagonal gift card pocket. We'll then run that through the die cut machine, and we'll have this really cool detailed piece that has a place to write the person's name and the from. We'll add some tape runner to the back and layer that onto the back of our bat. And then I've added some liquid glue to the center of the O, and I'm going to add that in just for a little extra detail. I love that that's taken this cute little critter hugger, made him into a bat, and made him into a gift card holder. So here I'm just going to take a gift card and put that right inside, and then we can flip him over and check out how cute he is on the front. He'd be really cute with some real candy too, and even the gift card surprise on the back. Just adorable and so much fun to make. I love the pearlescent vellum detail on the little candies, and then that cute little area to write my message in, and that gift card is such a nice surprise. This would be a really cute teacher gift or neighbor gift or even coworker gift right around Halloween. I wanted to show you a comparison between the bat and all of the other critters that the critter hugger can make. So we have a fox, an owl, a chipmunk, a squirrel, a raccoon. We also have some really cute winter decorations that you can see on the fox there. So I love that from one die set you can do all of these cute things, including winter cards, Halloween stuff now, and all year round cuteness. If you've never made a woodland critter hugger before, make sure to check out the intro video. We'll link it in the description below. We've die cut the woodland critter hugger from some stormcloud cardstock and also die cut his face detail. We're adding liquid glue to the back and we're layering on those special pieces. First the black piece that we're going to line up with the top of his fangs, and then the white piece that's going to fit in there just like a little puzzle piece, adding color to the eyes, mouth, and cute little fangs. Now to add some extra detail to this guy, we're going to take out some Stormcloud ink, which is the coordinating ink pad, and one of these little small blender brushes, and we're going to add some detail to this die cut. And that's going to take a plain cardstock die cut and just make it look a little more special and a little more detailed. We're also going to do something similar with our candy pieces. So we've die cut them from white cardstock. We have some carrot, freshly cut grass, and grape soda ink. We're going to pick up that ink with a blender brush and ink it onto the candy, giving it this really cool gradient look that makes it look extra special. Next, we're going to take out that pearlescent vellum, which is so gorgeous and makes for the perfect candy wrapper. We'll die cut the candy wrapper, and then we'll start to layer all of our cute inked candy pieces on top. Next, we're going to cut our goodie bag die cut out of some blueberry smoothie spiffy speckles paper, which is perfect for Halloween. And I love this goodie bag die cut, one, because it's so cute, I love the rickrack edge, and two, because it fits a gift card. We're going to cut 2 pieces, and then we're going to fold along all of the score lines that the die created for us. After we've folded on those score lines on both of our pieces, we can add some 1/4 inch double-sided tape to each of the tabs on both of the pieces for a total of 4 tabs and 4 pieces of tape. Next, we're going to use our bat in a little bit of a different way. So we're going to trim off his arms, and then we're going to cut one of those wing pieces, and we're going to trim that right in half because we only need the front part of the wing. After we've trimmed them in half to get 2 wings, we're going to add some inking to them with some Stormcloud ink again so that they match really nicely with our main bat piece. We want our bat to fit the front of our goodie bag without covering up the little hole that you can grab the bag by. So we're going to lay him in perfect placement, make a little tick mark, and then we can just trim off any of the excess off that bat. Once this guy is trimmed perfectly, you'll see how cute he's going to look on the front of the bag. I just can't get over how adorable this is. So now you're going to see why we had to trim off his arms and add his wings in a different way. The arms would have been a little bit too low to fit on the front of this goodie bag. So by cutting the arms off and layering them on separately, we're able to get a different look and able to use this bat in a totally different way. So we've glued that bat wing up closer to his mouth and eyes. Then we're going to layer in all of those candy pieces and then attach the other wing over those candy pieces. And I really like the look of the bat wings up a little higher. It looks like he's kind of hoarding all the candy, trying to hold it all so it doesn't fall out of his arms, and I think it's just adorable. So now we'll add some tape to the base of the goodie bag. Then we can take the other piece and form a T shape and layer them together, forming the base of the whole bag. Then we'll peel up the liner paper and we can start to attach the sides of the bag to the sides of the tab, and you can see just how cute this is looking. I love how tall it is. It's just adorable, especially with that cute little bat on the front. Next, we're going to make a cute little tag for our bag, and we're actually going to cut some green pattern paper from Really Rainbow Christmas. So it's fun to look through all your paper and see how they can be used for different seasons. So this green is just perfect for Halloween, and we're going to be stamping on there with this oldie but a goodie stamp set that's called Spooktacular, and it has our trick or treat sentiment there. We're going to stamp it in clear embossing ink, sprinkle on some white heat embossing powder, and then heat that up with the heat tool to get a really beautiful look. This cute little tag is from the Tiny Tags die set, and I think it's adorable with that pretty stitching on it. Next, we're going to take some nitpicky fall paper and we're going to die cut that with a sentiment banner die. We'll trim off any of the excess there and then use a hole punch to punch a hole, and this is going to create a cute little decorative tag to layer behind our green tag. This is the new Eggplant Lawn Trimmings, which is this beautiful purple color that's just perfect for Halloween or for anyone that loves purple. And we're going to put that through our two tags, and then we're going to tie that through the holes in our goodie bag. But before we do that, we're going to take some green crinkle paper here and fill our bag up. And so this looks super cute. I love the mix and match of green and purple for Halloween. I just think it's so fun and happy. So we'll fill our bag, and then we can take that twine and run it through the two holes in the goodie bag, securing the whole thing shut. This would be a great time to fill this with either a gift card or a bunch of little candies or any kind of little gift for someone to make them smile. We're going to tie it into a knot and then into a bow right at those cute little tags, and then we can trim off any of the excess. And that's it. Our cute bag is done. I love that we were able to take the bat and alter it so that it would fit perfectly on this gift bag. It looks so cool and it's just adorable and fun. So next up, we have some amazing cards by the design team. First up, we have the coolest card by Megan. She took the Woodland Critter Hugger bat add-on and put it on a card front. He's upside down, which is so cute. And when you pull that tab, another little bat comes out. And that bat is from our tiny gift box bat add-on. And these guys are a perfect match together. Here, Audrey took the cute little bat and put it on the front of the goodie bag, and he's holding the candy corn from the How You Bean candy corn add-on, and that is such a cute idea. Yanea created two cute goodie bags, and the first one on the left has our outside-in stitched pumpkin, which is adorable, and then the one on the right has our favorite bat. This is the one that inspired us to make our card today. And then here, Elena made the cutest little bat. I love how she added the scarf to him and that she used a completely different color palette. It totally blows me away. I can't wait to see what you guys do with this Woodland Critter Huggers bat add-on. I know it's going to be amazing and I can't wait for Halloween. If you guys want to check out any more videos, you can click here. You can also click to subscribe or click to learn more over at lawnfawn.com. Thank you guys so much for watching today, and I hope you have an absolutely amazing day. Bye!